everybody, welcome to my channel. It's been a minute. I know y'all have been seeing me make no videos, but it's okay because I am back. Okay, and today I'm doing a video of me installing a wig. So if y'all want to know how to install a wig, then just stay tuned. Okay, so the things that you will need to install this wig is you will need a wax stick, you will need some edge control, you're gonna need a hot comb. It don't matter if you use one on the stove or electric, it don't matter. Gonna need a comb with a silver part on it, and a comb just in general. You're gonna need it. Gonna need some scissors, you're gonna need a brush, you're gonna need a blow dryer, you're gonna need your bonding glue, whatever bonding glue that you use, that's what you're gonna use. And I'm using Ghost Bond Classic. So we're gonna use this. You're gonna need some Got2b, and you're gonna need your wig, of course, and that's it. So we're gonna get started, okay? So y'all, the wig that I'm using today, this is a mixed synthetic and human hair wig, okay? This wig was $60, and I got it from my local beauty supply. It's by Mayde. I don't know, y'all. I'll probably be saying it wrong. Don't mind me if I'm saying it wrong, but I'm just gonna go with Mayde Beauty. Okay, we're gonna say Mayde Beauty. Okay, Candy HD lace front wig. Okay, and this is the color Toya Cherry. Okay, y'all, Toya Cherry. This is a pretty red. Y'all can see. This is beautiful. Like, this is the right red. Okay, so, and it's a curling and say 400 Fahrenheit. My advice to y'all, I would not put that much heat to this wig or no curling and to it or nothing. Like, it's crimped. Y'all see the wig? It's crimped. So I mean, you really don't have to do too much to it. You know, like when the wig get old, then it just get old. You know, it's time to take it off. Like, I mean, that's just how I feel, because I wear human hair too, you know. So this is just really for the moment. Like, I mean, I'm pretty sure it's ways that you can take care of the wig, but yeah, when it just start getting matted, I feel like you should just take it off, like throw it away. So it's pre-plugged, and it's an ear-to-ear lace. And the other colors that they got, y'all, they got a 1B, a 2, a 613. I was about to get the 613, y'all. The 613 is fine. I was about to get the 613, but I haven't had red in a long time, so I want to do red. And they got the cherry. Then they got the OT27, sorry, y'all. OT30, OT530, OT copper, okay? So, yeah. That's it for this wig. So, yeah. So, let's open it up and let's see how it look, okay? And they packages, they wig really nice, y'all. You know, like, so you ain't getting just no anything. Okay. So yeah, y'all gotta take all this apart though. Take all this apart. Okay. And once you take all that off, then this is how it should look. Okay. So you're gonna take this off in the middle and take the net off. Okay, we're gonna take the net off. They protect these wigs real good though. So, and see, y'all see this? They got them curls holding in together. So take these off, and we're gonna see how the wig looks. Okay. And it be a little string inside the wig too, like this. Rip it off. Like that, okay? So it could just be a wig. Okay. So let's see how the wig look, y'all. Okay. It's long. It's curly. So this is like a crimp look, okay? So this is how it look, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all how to get this part to look natural, okay? Show y'all how to get this part to look natural. They got baby hairs on it, and this is a good looking wig. It's cute. I like it. So This how the inside of the wig look. It got clips on each side, even in the back got clip. Then they got the elastic band. I don't use the clips, I use the elastic band. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do that, how I make the wig. I mean, how I fix it or whatever. So first, we about to glue the wig down and fix the layout, okay? So let's get started with that. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to take your bonding glue, and that's what we're gonna use to make the wig stick flat, okay? So you're gonna need a beige stocking cap on your head, and then your bonding glue, okay? So let's open this up, and if y'all gotta clean y'all glue off, go ahead and do so it can work better without no problems. Be careful though, because the tissue would stick. What it just did to me, yeah, see, look, the tissue got stuck. So yeah, so yeah, I'm going to fix that. Okay, that should be good enough. Okay, so just trying to make sure my hands clipped off. Okay, so go take that, and then you gonna go around your perimeter with the glue. You do not need that much glue, y'all. This is just to keep the cap down, so be light with the glue. I'm not saying don't apply it, but you don't gotta do that much, you know. So yeah, that should be enough. And we're gonna spread this glue out, okay? So you're gonna take your tooth comb that I said with the silver end, and go ahead and add that to it. Okay. I put a little bit too much on this side, y'all can see, because that side don't really get that much, but it's okay though. Okay, it's okay. Okay, so then what you're gonna do is take your Got2b and spray your Got2b on top of the glue, okay? Spray your Got2b on top of the glue. You're gonna make sure this sticks, okay? And then we blow dry. So when we done blow drying, I'll be back. So I forgot to tell y'all guys, you're going to need some tint spray, or you're going to need some makeup. Some people bleach their knots, but this is a synthetic wig from the beauty supply, so there's no point in bleaching the knots, okay? So just get you some tint spray or some makeup. Tint spray is really better because all you gotta do is spray it on, okay? So get the color medium brown. You're gonna shake it, and you're gonna apply it to your edges. And whatever you got a middle part, side part, you're gonna spray it over, which I got a middle part, so that's what I did, okay? You can find this at your local beauty supply for $7.99, okay? And it's way easier and more convenient, okay? Especially when you're just trying to throw the wig on, you know? So then you want to take a sponge and melt it up in there, okay? Okay, y'all, so I am done doing the cutting, okay? So this is how it should look, y'all. If you feel like you need to go over something, go right ahead. You know, be my guest. It don't gotta look perfect. You know, it's just as long as it look bald and it's flat. That's all that matter. Bald and it's flat. Okay. So then what you're gonna take is you're gonna take a little napkin and some alcohol, and you're gonna wipe around the top of your head. Okay. And this is just gonna clean up any mess or glue or whatever that we don't want. Okay. So yeah. See that, y'all? So we're gonna just clean it up, just so we can have some a natural looking wig. Okay. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is you're gonna take your wig. This is my wig right here, and open it up like so. Okay, like so. And you're gonna take your tint spray, shake it up, and you're gonna spray your tint spray in the middle of this part. Y'all see that? The middle of this part, so we can get that natural looking part. Okay, just like if you was to bleach it or put some makeup on it. Okay, put it on the part and put it around the perimeter, so we can get that natural look. Okay, that's what we want. We want it to look natural, and this is how it should look after you spray it. Okay, so turn it back inside out, and you can see what it did. Made it look natural. Okay, so next what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the strap in the back and connect it together. This is for more tightness and more secureness, and for it to look more flatter. If y'all don't want to do this step, it's optional. You don't have to, but if you like your wig to be tight fitted and not going nowhere, then you're gonna do this part. So you're just gonna clip the two. This part a little tricky, y'all, but you're just gonna clip the part together. Okay, like so, and put the wig on. Make sure that the back is in them, and you're gonna use a comb in the back for more extra secureness. Okay, then what you're gonna do is get your wig right after you secured all that. Okay, layer it and level it right, so you glue it down. You're not gluing it bogus. Make sure it's in the middle. Make sure it's right. Make sure it's right and tight. Okay, make sure it's in the middle and it's right and it's tight, baby. Yeah. This wig is fire. Okay, this wig is fire. Yes. Okay. So now what you're gonna wanna do is pull your hair back. If you got a clip, use a clip. Or if you got a rubber band, use a rubber band. I'm gonna get a clip because it's gonna be better. I'm gonna clip it down. Okay. So we got a little clip and we're gonna clip it back so we can work how we need to work. Okay. We're gonna clip it back like so. Okay, so like I said, make sure that it's layered right. It's not too onto the forehead, or it's not too back. You know what I mean? Make sure that it's over. Make sure that it's over your cap. Okay. So then we're gonna flap this to the back like so. Like that, you see? We're gonna do it like so, like so. What you're gonna do is take your ghost bond or your boho or whatever you're using, and we're gonna lay it all around. So this is how I want you guys to lay your glue down. You don't need that much. Okay, so y'all see that's clear enough because we want it to still be tacky. See, you'll touch it. You're gonna see that it's sticking. That's what we want, okay? You don't want it too dry, you don't want it wet. So you're gonna pull the wig down in the spot that you said you was gonna pull it at. Not too on your forehead and not too to the back, okay? So pull it down. Pull it down. Make sure your ears and stuff is cool and comfortable, okay? Because that do matter when you have on a wig. So you're gonna pull it down. And if you're comfortable with the spot, press it down, okay? If you're comfortable with the spot, then go ahead and just press it down. Go ahead. Okay, so then you're gonna take the comb and you're gonna push the comb down on the glue. To make sure that it's on there. So then you're gonna take your Gatsby and you're gonna spray it over the lace, okay? This is just for extra hold. This is just for extra hold. Cause sometimes the glue don't be enough. Okay? So yeah, just spray some Gatsby around it. And you do the same thing with the blow dry, cool heat, etc. Okay? Okay, y'all, so when y'all done blow drying now, what we're gonna do is take out the edges. Okay, so I want my edges, just do where you want your edges at, okay, and how you want it. So I think I'm doing one right here, and two on the side. So I want my edges to be right here, okay. So pull that out, okay. Sometimes they have edges already made, but I like to make my own edges, y'all. So I like to make my own edges, so that's what I'm gonna do. So that's here. The first one, look. down. Do not put a big knot in here, y'all, because it's gonna be hard to get out. Just make a little knot, a little baby knot, okay? Just make a little baby knot. So this is how it should look when y'all doing. Okay? So now what we're gonna do is take the pen out and we're gonna let it down. Because now we're about to flatten it out. Okay, we're about to flatten it out. So now this is where you need your edge wax stick, and you're gonna do this. So you're gonna put your wax stick all around, like so. Even the back, okay? All around, all around. You don't need that much, just a little bit, okay? Like so. Y'all see that? Okay. So then you gonna take your comb and you gonna comb down where you put the wax at. Comb down, put your hand down. Comb down, put your hand down. Comb down, put your hand down. Calm down, put your hand down. Calm down, put your hand down, y'all. And this is gonna create a flat top for your wig to look more natural, okay, y'all? So we all about it looking natural. Like, we don't want no wig that look like a synthetic wig, you know? Y'all don't mind my little brother, okay? He in the background making noise, okay? So then, what you're gonna do is take your hot comb and we go. We're gonna keep touching it up like so. And we're about to get ready to take the elastic band off so we can do the edges. I just wanna make sure it's down. Now I'm using the back of the hot comb now. Okay. Definitely use the back of the comb for the hot comb for the back of your head. You're gonna need it back there. Okay. Okay. So now we're gonna take the elastic band off. Remember I told y'all don't make it a knot so y'all can be able to pop it back off, okay? And then when we finish, this is how it should look. With our edges and then hot comb. 5. Period. Please don't play with us because we is not one of those. Okay? Period. Okay, so now y'all, what we're gonna do is take the clip again so we can just be able to work how we need to work, okay? Okay, so this is how it should look again. Imagine y'all, it's a synthetic wig, so it's not gonna be perfect, so don't think perfect, just think fat, okay? So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut your edges. I want some big edges, so I'm gonna cut it to like about here. The length how you want your edges is the length, I mean, how you want big your edges is what you want, how you gonna cut it, okay? I kind of want some big edges, but not that big, so I'm gonna cut off a little bit more, like that. Same thing. Okay, y'all, so now my flat irons is heated up, and now I'm gonna flip back my edges, okay? Like so. Be careful, y'all. If y'all got some big old flat irons like me, be careful to not burn yourself. And just flip it up like that, okay? This help your edges stay down flat and give them that look. It like help you flip them, curl it, swoop it. I'm sorry, y'all. Swoop it in the way that you really want to swoop it, okay? So yeah, you're just gonna flip those edges up like voila. And then it should look like this. It look crazy, but it's gonna work, okay? So yeah, like that. So now what we're gonna do is, I use edge control for this type of wig because that's what stays. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the edge control. I'm using the inner comb because I want to get it between my nails. So we're gonna apply edge control. Put as much as you need, cause it's a synthetic wig, okay? Don't over put so much, but you need enough to make it lay down, okay? Okay, so now put the edge control on it. We're gonna flip the edges. So this is how I do my edges. I use a comb and my finger. So I'm trying to make sure all these strings down my face. Okay, so you're gonna push the hair back and you're gonna grab the edges. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna smooth it down like that and use the comb to put it in motion, okay? And then you're gonna use your finger at the same time. Y'all cannot forget your finger. That's is what help it mold, okay? So yeah, then you just get it to your liking, okay? I gotta look in this mirror so I can really see what I'm doing. So now we're finna put the hair down. We're finna do the part to make the part look natural, okay? So what you're gonna need is some concealer. I got the color, how do you know the color of the concealer? So I'm trying to tell y'all. Okay, the color is GC978 medium beige. Okay, and this is LA Girl Concealer Pro Concealer. Nothing major. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take that, push some out, not too much. If you got enough, a lot, use the top of your top and to take some off, okay? And it should look like this. Now what you want to do is put it directly in the middle of your part, like so. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? If I had a black wig, I would be using black spray on top of this to clean it up, but we don't have that. So what you're gonna do is take the middle of the comb again and flatten it out. Flatten it out. letting it out so it can blend inside. Okay, letting it out like so. Oh, excuse me, y'all see that? Okay. So now take the clip out and what so y'all, here what I'm doing is all I'm doing is putting the mousse on my hair to get the curls back going, and that's it, y'all, and that's the end of the wig. We look so fab, period. I want y'all to follow these instructions on how to get your wig like mine, and comment, subscribe, likes, and thumb up my video, and we'll be back with another video.